Hi guys, welcome back. So in this video, I will teach you how to say mother, father, sister, brother in Hindi. So without wasting any more time, let's begin. Hi, my name is Harsha and first of all we will talk about the most beautiful word on this earth, which is ma, means mother. You can repeat behind me. Ma, ma, ma. Okay, it's good. Now, I'll talk about my father. I mean, father. So, it is Papa, Papa, Papa. Okay, now I'm gonna talk about brother and sisters. Let's take 2 points. If your brother is younger than you, and the second point is if your brother is elder than you. So, if your brother is younger than you can just call him by his name, or you can say bhai, bhai, bhai. Basically, bhai means brother. Let's go to the second point. If the brother is elder than you, so you can just say bhai, or you can say bhaiya, bhaiya, bhaiya. Uh, a main point you should note here, you shouldn't call him by his name because it will be unrespectful for him. So I suggest you to say him bhai or bhaiya. So let's move to sister. Here are also 2 points. If she is younger than you and if she is elder than you. Let's take point number 1. If she is younger than you can call her by her name, and you can also say her behen, behen, behen. Basically, behen means sister. Let's move to point number 2, which is if your sister is elder than you, then you should say didi, didi, didi. Basically, didi means elder sister. So you should never talk to her by calling her name. You are watching Harsha video, so here is a plus point for you. I mean, you should know it. The basic concept of saying brother and sister, it also applies on your cousins and your friends. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you are thinking to subscribe my channel, I just want to say to you, don't think too much. Just press the subscribe button and like the video. I'll cover the next points in my next part of this video. Till then, keep watching, keep learning with Hindi with Harsha. Thank you.